Hey family, welcome to today's tutorial. So I have this boot that I've crafted with before. Original color was purple, but I'm going to paint the first layer in black velvet by Debbie's DIY paint. And then the second coat I'm going to do in little black dress. Here the paint is a little thick, so I'm just stirring it up with some distilled water. And that will help to loosen it up a little, but I didn't spray a lot in there, just a little. And there's the little black dress, also by Debbie's DIY paint. And I'm just going to use a paint dauber to put this on to give the boot a little bit of texture. As you can see, it's really thick, but I just went ahead and start dabbing it on. So here I'm showing you the beginning of the first coat. I'm not going to make you sit through me painting it, and then I'm going to do the second coat with little black dress. So here it's all done. You can see a little bit of texture on it. Now here's one of those dusting cloths or wiping cloths from Dollar Tree, and I cut it long enough to go around the top of the boot. So this is going to be Santa's boot. And here I'm just adding some glue. I thought I cut most of this out, but I guess I didn't. So you guys get to see how it's cut, and I'm just gluing it. So this will just go around the top, and no, it's not straight. Just like everything else, it's wonky, but it's okay. It's still gonna be cute. Nobody knows but us. Don't tell nobody. And then my glue gun decided it didn't want to work the right way, but it worked enough, and I burnt my finger. What else is new as a crafter? But I'm good. I'm good. So here I'm just getting off some of the glue strings and the glue off my finger. So here I am showing you how I'm going to put it on just like that. And I think I start in the middle. Yes. Sorry I'm out of frame, but you guys have seen us glue stuff to other items. So I'm gonna come back in frame. I apologize. So I just put three dabs of glue. Well, four really. And then here I'm doing it on the other side. So just a little bit of glue. And then here I'm going to put some there. So see, I didn't use a lot of glue. And then I'm going to put some on that seam right there and basically press them together. And since it's going to be on the back, the way I display it, nobody's going to know. Or on the back, so nobody will know. So here I'm just going to make a simple bow with some ribbon that was in my stash. I think the boot is from a thrift store. It was gifted to me from my friend Michelle. So here I'm just making just a simple looping bow, and then I'm just gonna tie it with silver and white ribbon. Now all this was in my stash. I did not buy this. I think this is from Michael's, the ribbon bunches, and I got it at the end of Christmas last year on sale. So I'm just gonna cut that off. I'm gonna cut that. And then I'm just going to glue it on, get some little straggly strings off. And I think I cut it just a little bit shorter. And I'm just going to glue this on the side. I'm going to add some pine cones, make it look pretty and festive. And then, of course, I can always, after Christmas, I can change out the florals just to be greenery without the berries. But I think this can go through for winter as well. And I can always change the color of my bow to match my decor if I choose. But these are simple things that you can do with thrifted items and just make everything look really cute. So here I'm just cutting off a couple of pieces of greenery. It's boxwood from Walmart. And here's just the extra flower I saw, and I was like, oh, I can just add that too. Just to add a little zhuzh to it, zhuzh it up a little bit. And this flower had been sitting there for the longest, so I was like, I can add it. And there it is. I think it came out really, really pretty. I love how that looks with all the frost going on. And there it is. So on this one, I am using, this surface is from Magnolia, and this is Pink Christmas, also by Magnolia. These are rub-on transfers. This is a 12 by 12 sheet, so you can cut any elements off that you would like. I'm going to do the Santa. I don't usually do Santas, but I figure why not? It's red with pink highlights on it. So here I've cut it out, and I'm just gonna rub, rub, rub. I'm not gonna make you all sit through me rubbing this. I had some issues with it, so I had to add a little heat to it to soften it up. I don't know if it was because it was cold when I received it the day before, but this was really, it took me a minute to get this off, but you just rub it like any other time. If you have trouble with any of your rub-on transfers, add a little heat to it, not too much where it'll melt the plastic covering, but enough so that it softens the transfer and it will lay down. So here I'm just cutting off excess. And there is down. I thought I put that in, but I must have took it out. But here's some more greenery from that same little bush that I am using. I think this is from Michael's from last year. And I'm just going to add some glue right down the middle. I'm going to press that down. Some of the berries are just in the wrong place, and some of these actually fell off. Just me moving it. See, there goes berry down, berry down. So here I just picked some off the back, and then I'm just going to glue them back on because it will interfere with your glue down. And you can always add them later like you will see me do in just a moment. Let me add a little bit more glue so I can tack that end down. Try not to burn my finger again. And then that piece I didn't put any glue on. It was kind of in the way anyway, so it'll be covered up by pine cones. So here I'm just adding some glue so I can put these berries back on here. Make it look just a little bit fuller, like the one that's going down the side of it. This is not a requirement. This was just my choice. And then here I'm going to add more pine cones. These little pine cones, I think I got a big bag of them from Michael's a couple of years ago, and I'm not even halfway through that bag. So they have all different sizes in them. So I'm just adding these. And if you're interested in any Magnolia products, my link will be in the description. Not a requirement, just have a look. You never know, you might find something. But they have a lot of nice transfers. A lot of them are really, really nice. So, well, of course, there's stencils and surfaces and tools. So just take a look. And it is done. These came out really, really pretty. I love how they turned out. Absolutely love it. So here they are together. Santa and his boot. So cute, so cute. So thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. And be happy, be healthy, be safe, be blessed. Bye-bye.